E-commerce is an online auction site based on eBay where users can post their listings and bid on other users' interesting listings. In my case, the application allows users to trade posters in 3 categories: film, music and theater category. The application was written in Python. I used Django Web framework, and for this framework I picked 6 models arranged in a star schema. The central model is a bid, then we have a user, we have a listing, we have a watch list, a comment and a category model. The default functionality is a list of active listings where a user can browse through active poster listings and pick the interesting one. You can also use a categories filter and filter the listings just to see the interesting category. In my case, I decided to see film posters. When the user is logged in, we can create a listing. For example, let it be the alchemist. Here we go. This is my latest listing. The central functionality is the listing page. When I click on my listing, I can see the details, so enlarge image of the poster, description, current price, who is the owner of this listing. I can add it to watch list. I can place a bid. In this case, I'm the owner, so I would not be allowed to place a bid. I can close the listing when I decide that the price offered by other users is high enough to be satisfactory to me, and I can add a comment, for example. I can add it to watch list. Yeah. So now imagine I will bid for an interesting poster. For example, I like this Don Giovanni poster. You can see it was listed by other users. Let's say I will bid 120. Let's find this poster. You can see that the current price is the latest price of my bid. And now let's log out and log in as the owner of this listing. So I'm logged in as the owner. I see the price. I say satisfactory. I can close the listing. And then when I log out, and once again when I log in as the bidder, I can see I have some warm listings, and this is this Don Giovanni, which says that the final price is 120, and this only happens when the owner of the listing decided to close the listing. Then we have this watch list functionality. I will give you an example. I will add a couple of posters, and then I can see I have some posters that I can of course remove them from the list. Last but not least, the application gives me the possibility to create a super user who can administer the flow of the data, instantiation of objects. I can create, delete all all actions in the database. I hope you enjoyed it. Thank you.